Here I have Mercedes Vito and let me show you how to manage online recognition. So let me show you how to enable the feature to connect your voice control system to the cloud. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Here let's swipe to the left to find the settings, select settings, and under settings you've got here a couple of tabs. Let's choose here system. Under system you've got here the voice assistant section, and here let's choose online recognition. As you can see, you can activate the online voice control in the Mercedes Me portal. Only then you can use it in the car. So in my case, let me activate it and let me also enable contact upload for online recognition. What it does, it allows the car to send your voice commands to the Mercedes-Benz servers for better processing. The benefit, it significantly improves the accuracy of speech recognition and allows the car to answer more complex questions. So I think it's quite useful, so I like to have this enabled and I will leave it that way. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.